Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to draw a perfect horizontal line in Inkscape. If you have been struggling to get your paths perfectly level while designing, this simple trick is going to save you so much time. If this video helps your workflow, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you do not miss any more design tutorials. Let us dive right in. First, open up your document inside Inkscape. Before we start drawing, it is a good idea to ensure that snapping is enabled by pressing the % key on your keyboard. This is especially helpful if you need to align your line to other existing objects on your canvas. Now, grab the Draw Bezier Curves and Straight Lines tool by pressing the B key on your keyboard. Once you have the tool selected, follow these steps. Click once on your canvas to set the starting point of your line. Now move your cursor horizontally to the left or the right. Here is the secret trick. While you are moving your cursor, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard. This is the industry standard way in Inkscape to constrain your path to exact 15-degree increments. Because of this, you only need to drag your mouse slightly, and the line will snap instantly to a perfectly horizontal or vertical position. Once it looks level, click a second time to set your endpoint. Finally, press the Enter key just once to finalize the path. Now that your line is drawn, you might want to adjust how it looks. You can switch back to the main selection tool by pressing the S key on your keyboard to move or resize it freely. If you need a more specific look, open the Fill and Stroke panel by using the shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and F. Inside this panel, go to the Stroke Style tab where you can precisely adjust the thickness of your line to match your design requirements. To recap those essential shortcuts, remember that B activates the Bezier tool, S gets you back to the Selection tool, and Ctrl, Shift plus F opens the Fill and Stroke menu. And remember, holding down the Control key while drawing is the secret to perfect alignment every single time. That's all there is to it. You now have a perfectly horizontal line that is ready to use in your project. If you found this quick guide helpful, please show your support by hitting that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.